the shift, that was 110 spinning.
Pretty sure it's faster than it used to be.
Oh, damn.
God damn! Mountain Dew down.
Yeah, so, I mean, it's pretty rowdy for what it is.
And we're not even on the Mickey Thompsons anymore.
Yeah, no, that was spinning like crazy. I shifted early in the second too, so.
I actually moved the camera around a bunch, and I hope the gimbal didn't fuck me. Cause I was like, I was doing this. I'm like, I'm holding on, but I'm moving everywhere.
Sorry about the video.
Yeah.
It's hard to go straight.
I want to see how Chris does this shit. Riding with all the motherfuckers.
Yeah, 1,000 horsepower cars. Yeah, no, this ain't it. This ain't nothing compared to that. We got a dirty car right now.
Yeah. So, what is this? December.
Yeah, December. It's about 50 degrees out right now, but I feel like it's colder.
Yeah.
It's probably about 40 something.
The transmission's been in the car like a week, but then he got
the
things.
for CV axle.
Yeah, CV axles in these cars are insanely tight clearance. It's like you gotta beat them in there practically, or use a special tool.
Yeah, and the special tool's on back order until January.
Yeah, these are some of the reasons we really didn't make videos of us putting the transmission in, just because it literally dumped it all the way out.
I think BMW needs to upgrade their cup holders.
Yeah, so we didn't make the videos about installing all this shit, just because it ain't gonna get us very far if y'all just watching us cuss for 20 minutes. And it takes us, you know, what?
We'd probably be about an hour on the CV axle beside it.
Yeah, we beat on that fucking CV axle that came on the pallet from a whole nother car. It wouldn't come out.
Yeah, they set the whole knuckles because they couldn't get them out.
Yeah.
It's pretty rad. But,
So,
I mean, everything's tuned like it should. You start the car like a normal manual and push the clutch in.
yeah, what?
Cruise control still works. Literally, I press the clutch, cruise control comes off.
5th gear, riding, and I mean,
it's really smooth considering. The twin disc clutch feels good. It's not like an aggressive drive. The clutch pedal isn't insanely stiff. It's stiff, but it ain't like undrivable. You know, you have those clutches that you just can't freaking push in. Yeah, well, this one ain't that bad. It's pretty easy.
and we did get it retuned before ever starting it from our guy David.
Yeah, we got a manual transmission tune on it now.
Yeah.
And it's got launch control now.
It does have launch control. It's not like the GS 300's 2-step, so it doesn't like pop flames.
No, it's just, it gets the RPM up and builds
It
boost.
gets it in the boost. So, something got nasty.
Yeah, they do. Did a little Bernie.
God, the cup holders in these things. I'm tired of getting nailed by that Mountain Dew.
Yeah, second gear is pretty useless right now. Third gear it spins. Fourth gear it'll spin a little then go.
Yeah, so the tires, these are what, like 255s?
Yeah, they're 255 40s. They're Kumhos, but
These are the same tires he drag raced on back in Arkansas and beat guys with drag packs.
yeah, I actually cut a 60-foot time on the twin turbos with the blown turbo. I 60-footed like a 1.7 on the factory turbos, and I think I ended up running like a 7. What did I run? Like a 7.2 in the 8th mile or something like that on the twins. But yeah, that was on street tires. No drag radials, no prep, none of that stuff. Just straight out these 255s. Went out there and let her eat.
Yeah, now these tires, it makes too much power and they're useless.
Oh yeah. As soon as it hits boost, you're spinning. But it's a lot funner to drive. Manual is pretty boring, pretty lame. Now you actually feel like you're driving a car. You know?
Yeah, we do have a video of the car on the drag strip with the big turbo setup and the auto, and
It's like
it doesn't even light till half track, and then it still ran almost the same time.
yeah, like my 60 foots were like 2.5s.
Yeah.
Like I come out the hole, it was like lag, because the torque converter only lets you build 2,000 RPMs. Well, now I can launch it in boost and come out the hole It's loud.
I feel like I've never heard it before.
I don't think like the only time I ever heard it is like after I let off after a big pull, but you really can't hear it because the car is so loud.
Yeah, so
the exhaust is different now too. We got rid of the VSRF muffler and we made a custom 3.5 to 4 inch straight pipe. There ain't no muffler, no resonators. It's loud. I'm gonna weld some resonators in because at 2,800 RPMs it sounds like shit to me. I just need it to be a little deeper tone, and then I'll be happy with it. But other than that, I mean, it sounds good at idle and stuff like that. But we just gotta get the raspy. I don't like rasp.
Yeah, no rasp, no clap. Burble tune is tuned out, and so is high rev start.
Yeah, we got rid of the high idle cold start simply because the car is so freaking loud and it sounds like crap.
Yeah, if the car's in the garage, it shakes the whole house. It's pretty cool. But
yeah, so a little update on everything.
Yeah.
You know, we've been busy, you know, living our life, spending money. I got a new truck too. That's gonna be coming. I actually bought it Friday or Saturday. No, Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah, but it's not here yet. I gotta go to Arkansas pick it up. It's a 65 GMC truck. So we
wood bed.
Yeah, we finna build something bagged and have some fun in it. I'm gonna give it to my dad. We'll use it as our beach truck.